So you're staring at your car and it looks fine, but you don't want fine. You want that just drove it off the showroom floor kind of spectacular. The kind of shine that makes birds mistake your hood for a pond. The secret to that mirror finish? It's all in the buff and polish. But walk into any auto store or browse online and you're hit with a dizzying array of options. Do you need the $1,000 beast the pros use? Or can a $100 tool from a big box store get the job done? It's a classic engineering problem, balancing cost, performance, and the risk of totally messing it up. That's what we're here to solve. We've gathered an arsenal of the most popular polishers on the market. Flex, RUPES, DeWalt, Makita, Griot, Chemical Guys, Porter Cable, and a generic dual action. We're going to put them all through a series of tests on this lovely but slightly neglected test panel. Today we're ranking from the most expensive pro gear to wallet-friendly DIY options, comparing pros and cons for DIYers versus professionals. We'll look at cutting power, final finish quality, ease of use, and of course, the price tag. Alright, let's kick things off at the absolute top of the food chain, Flex and RUPES. These are the Ferraris and the Lamborghinis of the polishing world. When you see a pro detailer on a six-figure supercar, they usually have one of these. They are engineered to an incredible standard, built to run 10-12 hours a day, every day, without breaking a sweat. The internal mechanics, the cooling systems, everything is over-engineered for durability and peak performance. You're not just buying a tool, you're making a long-term investment. Many high-end models are forced rotation or powerful rotary polishers. A rotary spins on a single axis, generating heat and immense cutting power. Flex's forced rotation DAs combine that bite with an orbital motion. More cut, more control. The finish quality can be simply flawless. Advanced backing plates reduce vibration. Less fatigue, smoother glide, optimal pad, and polish performance. But this power comes with a warning. For beginners, a rotary is like getting a Formula One car for your first lesson. One wrong move can burn through clear coat. And then there's the price. For pros, the efficiency and flawless finish justify the cost. For DIYers who polish twice a year, it's like buying a commercial pizza oven to make a frozen pizza. Steep learning curve, premium price, firmly for serious professionals. Now let's step down from the penthouse to the executive floor. Here we find the tried and true workhorses, DeWalt and Makita. Legends on construction sites, and that rugged reliability carries over to detailing. They're built to be knocked around, covered in dust, and still fire up every time. Corded for marathon power, cordless for freedom. Often on the same battery platform as your drills and impact drivers. Moving into our next category, Griot's Garage. A brand bridging the gap between weekend hobbyist and seasoned professional. Standout feature, extreme user-friendliness, great ergonomics and balance so you can polish for hours. Random orbital models like the G9 are powerful yet safe and comfortable. Their compounds are effective but forgiving, with clear numbered labels that simplify choosing the right product. Caveat: collision repair pros may want more aggressive pro-grade liquids to reduce steps, but for 99% of users, including many pros, the Griot system nails performance, safety, and value. If you've watched car videos, you've seen Chemical Guys, masters of marketing with a colossal, accessible product range. Clear labels, slick tutorials, and starter-friendly torque kits, pads and polish included, make getting started easy. From VSS All-in-One to the V-Line, their color-coded steps build confidence for beginners. Pros may find compounds require more passes than industrial pro lines. Great gateway for enthusiasts. Pros often graduate to stronger systems for heavy correction. Now, the most important recommendation for most people, the dual action, or DA, polisher. Popularized by the Porter Cable 7424XP, DA designs became the gold standard for safe, effective correction. Unlike a rotary's single-axis spin, a DA both spins and oscillates, dispersing heat and reducing burn risk. Mark the backing plate and turn it on. The dot jiggles. Press down and many DAs stall. That's your built-in safety net. Trade-off: speed. For deep defects, you'll need more passes. Pros often cut with rotary, then finish with a DA. For DIY peace of mind, DA is king. Finally, the most wallet-friendly category: Harbor Freight and no-name Amazon kits, often under $100. The appeal is obvious. Swirl-free, glossy promises for the price of dinner. Pros: low cost, far better than hand polishing, great to test the hobby. Cons: weaker motors, heavy vibration, lower build quality. Budget polishes may cut slower and finish hazier, often needing follow-up with a better finishing polish. You save money, but you spend time. It's hard to save both. So, there you have it. From professional-grade powerhouses to budget-friendly entry points. There's no single best polisher, only the best for your needs and budget. Pros: Flex, RUPES, DeWalt. Serious enthusiasts: Griot's Garage or a high-quality DA. Starters: a chemical guy's kit or a budget DA. Match the tool to the task and your comfort. Don't buy a Formula One car if you're learning stick. Comment below, like and subscribe. Full gear list in the description. Thanks for geeking out with us. See you on the next project.